Yo, what's up, you lot? Today we'll be speaking about journaling and why you should use it more often. You, right there, yeah, you. Let's get right into it. So my number one reason is journaling for productivity. Believe me, journaling goes hand in hand with productivity. You journal something that you're trying to achieve, you'll make it 10 times clearer. You write anything down on paper, you'll understand it more. Say if you're going shopping, you write that down, you'll understand what you need to buy. You'll know what you need to buy, and you'll make a plan as to where you should buy it, why you should buy it at this shop. Like, say if you buy it at this shop, it might be cheaper, but at that shop, the quality might be better. You know what I mean? So it allows you to plan for these small things and allows you to make a larger problem small and makes it less overwhelming. I've just put it in words that, anyone can understand it in. Get me? But to apply it to you lot, say, create a goal for yourself. Create something that's achievable. Create something that you want to challenge yourself with, something that you might enjoy as well. Like, enjoy challenging yourself. Put yourself in situations where you might not be too comfortable in so that you can expose yourself and become better at that. So, say you got a challenge, you break that down. You create steps to get to that goal, to get to that ultimate goal. That's all it is. Every day, making that little bit of progress. And you'd be surprised at how much you can get done, my man. You'd be surprised at how much you can get done, my friend. Number 2, journaling for decision making. Like, I believe that you put anything down on paper, you understand it 10 times more than when you're thinking in your head. Like, the example I used before, say if you're going shopping, like, to clarify everything that you need to buy, you'd write it down on a shopping list so that you can decide whether or not you want to buy it from that shop or you want to buy it from that shop. You weigh out the pros and cons of buying it from that shop. It might be cheaper, but over here it might be more expensive, but the quality might be better, if you know what I mean. So like, when you write all that down, you understand the pros and cons, and you understand the smallest details as to how you can plan towards a goal that you're trying to achieve. So say if you got like a decision coming up, like a LeBron James type of decision, you would write it down on paper, you'd write down the pros and cons as to why you'd approach it this way, and then you'd come up with another approach and write down the pros and cons as to why you'd approach it that way. And then you'd obviously pick the best one. And because you thought of it that way, you systematically thought about it, when it comes to actually making the decision, you won't rely on your feelings. So you won't feel as much stress, you won't feel as much anxiety because you've already thought it through and you've already picked the right decision that's best for you. So that's ultimately what it is. And one more thing, decision making also allows you to not make mistakes that you've already made before. So you can ultimately plan around them to not make that mistake again. Number 3, journaling your favorite quotes and affirmations. I truly believe that this one's important because like, you put down your favorite affirmations, your favorite quotes, and say it over and over again on a regular basis, it'll stick in there. Trust me. Through every situation that you go through, every tough situation, any situation, it'll just ring through your head. You'll always remember it no matter what. Say, for example, Muhammad Ali, I'm the greatest. I like that one because like, you're the king, you're the queen. You're your own main character, you're him, you're her, you know what I mean? Saying these quotes over and over again will make you feel like him, will make you feel like her, will make you feel like the king or the queen, you know what I mean? So ultimately, the goal is to help you value yourself more. That's what it is. It builds self-confidence for sure, self-esteem as well. Like, through saying these over and over again, you can only grow. Believe me, you can only grow mentally, physically, and emotionally. Number 4, journal what you're grateful for. Like, when you journal what you're grateful for, you'll be grateful for even the smallest things in the world, trust me. You'll be grateful for like your TV, you'll be grateful for your bed, you'll be grateful for the shelter that you got, you'll be grateful for your house, all the clothes that you got, all the shoes that you got. I don't know if you've heard that song by J. Cole, Love Yours. If not, go listen to it. Like, it pretty much says everything I'm gonna say. Like, there'll always be someone that's got better clothes than you. There'll always be someone that's got a better house than you, better shoes than you. So you might as well be grateful for what you've got. You might as well love what you got. Because no matter what, there'll always be someone that's got something better than you. And not only that, there's people that are worse off than you. Believe me. Like, it's sad, but you gotta think that way. You gotta be grateful for everything that you got. Thinking that way will boost your self-esteem, trust me, big time. Like, you'll be grateful for everything that you got. You'll be happy with the way you look. You'll be happy with what clothes you got, what shoes you got, the house you got, everything, trust me. Number 5, journal your challenges and failures. You can only learn from your failures, trust me. Like once you write them down, you can only learn from them and learn what you did wrong, and then obviously rectify what you've done wrong and make it right the next time you do it. You only learn from them. And also, you should also write down your achievements, the achievements in whatever, so that, you know, you feel good about yourself, man. It's not all about feeling bad about yourself. Oh, what's missing? Feel good about what you're already good at. And then work on your weaknesses. Trust me, that's the only way you can get better at things. What you realize eventually through journaling your challenges and failures is that the struggle's normal. No matter what you do, the struggle's normal. Everyone's going through a struggle. No matter what form it's in, everyone's going through a struggle. So it'll normalize struggling. And it'll only increase your resilience because you'll go through these problems with like a good mindset, thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to journal it. I'm going to write down steps that I can achieve to break this problem down, to achieve what I want to achieve, to achieve the solution to this problem. That's the ultimate goal at the end of the day. That's what it is. Journaling is really good for that. And another realization that you'll also come to notice is that it's all in here, bro. Or sister, it's all in your head. It's you versus you at the end of the day. Like, through the power of resilience, you can get through it. I'm not even trying to be corny, but like, that's the only way I could say it. Like, through that power, you'll get through it. Trust me. It's you versus you, and you'll win. You'll win with this mindset. And through journaling, you can track your progress. And believe me, it'll only be going up like this. Trust me. If you continue thinking like this, if you continue journaling everything that you're going through, creating steps to problems that you're going through, everything like that, you'll only make progress. Trust me. Patience. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with yourself. That's it. Thank you for sticking around in the video. I truly appreciate it. Please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, no, I need a trim big time, but it's cool. Love.